In this one, I've got 6 dead spruce trees, and I'm gonna see if I can't take them out in 6 different ways. So here's a stand of spruce, just toasted. And we had some power lines going through here. I had the power company come and actually take those down. And just to call them off, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That guy just really wanted to swing up into the power line when the tree came down. All right, let's hit number 1 first. Just to keep things conventional at the start, we'll do a conventional notch. So the hinge was right here, and I kind of nipped at it a little bit to get it to go, and it still pulled out some of that holding wood. All right, I'm just gonna nip off this stump, and then we can do number 2. 48, so almost as old as I am. All right, so that was the conventional cut. You know, it's just straight up, make your notch, bring it down. On number 2, let's do the Humboldt. Come on. There it is. All right, so we did the conventional, we did the Humboldt. Let's do an open face before we get a little more funky and creative down there. Open face cut. I use it up top in the trees quite a bit, but basically down below, it's nice if you want the tree to have just a free travel. Like you don't want it to hit the stump at all and bounce. So 3 is down, and number 4, I think you get a sense, maybe like a little inkling or a suspicion of what's going on here. And this is a 3-ton farm jack. We're going to use this guy to push it over instead of wedge action. All right, so I had thought the 3-ton farm jack was gonna do the trick, but it just doesn't have the pushing power of the wedges. So I'm just gonna bang it down with the wedges, and farm jack, you can see it's even flexing. Just can't handle the tree. All right, so we got the blue spruce graveyard taking shape here. These last two have some lean that I'm not liking so much. Basically, they want to go this way, and I want them to go this way. So I'm going to rope them both off. That's usually good practice. Just rope your stuff off so it doesn't go the wrong way. I'm going to rope them off and then drop them 2 more ways.
Can I ask you a couple of questions?
Yeah, what you got?
Are you in charge?
Am I in charge? Well, I run the... All right, so tree number 5 has a rope on it, tied at the base, up through the limbs, over here to the truck. Now, when you ask a buddy to help you take out a tree, and your buddy says, oh, let me get my truck, you know, you might want to think twice about that, but this is actually a good thing. It's gonna work out. I'm just securing it to the truck. I'm not pulling it over. Maybe I'll do that on the next tree, but I'm not pulling it over right now. I've just got a sling on here, 3-ton, I like that. Snatch block, trucker's hitch, and we'll snug it up. And for the not curious, trucker's hitch in this case is an alpine butterfly coming back, and I just tied it off to my shackles. All right, tree's tied off. Let's do some cutting. All right, now after that sad failure with the farm jack, I can't get the jack thing out of my mind, so I pulled my 6-ton jack out of the truck, and let's see if we can inch this over with this bad boy. All right, 6-ton jack took care of a pretty beefy hinge. That's tree number 5. What are we gonna do about tree number 6? So tree number 6 is sitting there wedged and notched. I just keep an eye on it if I walk away from it, and let's just see if we can take it down with this rope. Number 6 on the ground. This guy's got a little bit of life left in it, but pretty much toast. All right, so the 6 trees are laying down nice and flat. Just gotta buck all these things. And this video really should be called how to get 6 trees into one trailer.
Wintertime's tough, man.
Right. But see, this is what I steel pole saw. I got a small steel.
I was like, instead of using my good saw, I'm gonna try this thing. 118 bucks. I was like, I'm gonna try it.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
my number.
Okay. Yeah.
My name's Spencer.
Okay.
Chain's getting a little loose. So first tree has just about filled the trailer, so I'm not sure how much I'm gonna get in there, but good news is Melissa just texted. She said she's gonna bring some food over. All right, so that's it for my 6 trees, 6 ways, or maybe it's like 5.5 ways. You can see I got like just a little bit of cleanup left to do. I figure I can get a little more in this trailer and then go dump it off and be back here before dark. Now this did come dangerously close to a how-to video, but at the same time, it's just like the story of how I did it, and I appreciate you checking it out.